Good morning, students. Welcome to my online class. Today's topic is grid references, four figure and six figure grid reference. First, what is a grid? A grid is a set of lines, latitudes, and longitudes. These are imaginary lines that are drawn on the globe to find the exact location of the place on a map. Look at these lines. Longitudes are vertical lines. These lines are called eastings in the topo sheet, whereas horizontal lines are latitudes. These are called northings in the topo sheet. Now, coming to the topo sheet, these are horizontal lines and these are vertical lines. See, vertical lines 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06 and goes on. These come under eastings and northings 10, 11 and goes on. So northings increases towards north from the south. Eastings increases from southwest corner towards east. Now, the scale of the topo sheet is 1 is to 50,000. What do you mean by this? 1 centimeter equal to 50,000 centimeters. We know that 1 kilometer has 1 lakh centimeters. Therefore, 1 centimeter equal to half kilometer. 2 centimeters equal to 1 kilometer. That means 2 centimeters on the map, which is equal to 1 kilometer. Now, coming to the grids, this is a grid. These are all grids. Now, let me say about the grid. From here to here, 2 centimeters on the map. 2 centimeters means 1 kilometer. 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 2 centimeters. Now, how to find 4 figure grid reference? Example, location of x. Here the x is between two eastings 0 to 03. 2 figure. We should not write 2 3. 0 to 03. Now, northings the x is between 10 and 11. Now, how to find out 4 figure grid reference of this x? Yes, now x equal to the beginning between these two eastings southwest, that's 0 2, between this 1 0 2 and 10 we write the location of x. Now y, what is the location of y? The y is between 0 5 and 0 6, 15 and 16. So therefore y first 0 5 and 15. In the same way, z equal to, where is z here? The z is between 0 1 and 0 2. We take 0 1 and 1 3. This is the 4 figure grid reference. What do you mean by x equal to 0 to 1 0? That means the x is located 1 square kilometer, the eastings of 02 and northings of 10. How to find out 6 figure grid reference? Yes, 6 figure grid reference. We know the 4 figure grid reference. What is the location of x on 4 figure? We read, we discussed 0 to 10. How to find out x, the same grid? I drew a grid. In this we have to find out 6 figure grid reference. Now, how to find out 6 figure grid reference? The topo sheet. To get 6 figure grid reference, we need to divide equally both on horizontally and vertically. Horizontally we divide. Now starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, again 0. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Now, how to find the location of x? 6-figure grid reference. Now see, 6-figure grid reference of this is the y, not x, y. Here is y equal to, what did we discuss? The location of 4-figure y? 0, 5, 1, 5. First 0, 5 dash 1, 5 dash. This is third figure, this is a 6th figure. How to get third figure? Now see, this is the y. First we should write eastings 0, 5 as it is, dash 15, that is northings dash. Now third figure we start counting here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 exactly. So this is the 8th. Next, this is northings. How we can get this 6th figure? In the same way exactly, as we took these numbers, this y approximately, this is 7. So 0, 5, 8, 15, 7 is the 6-figure grid reference of the y. Now we find out x. First x. What is the 4-figure grid reference of the x? 0 to 10. Now first we write 0 to dash 10 dash, third figure and 6th figure. Now third figure we see that towards east 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is 5th is the third figure. Now 10 dash 4 we see 1, 2, 3, 4, approximately 4 is the 6th figure. This is the 6-figure grid reference of the location of x, that is 0 to 5, 10, 4. And the last and final z. Here we found 4-figure grid reference. The z is here 0, 1, 1, 3. So 0, 1 dash 1, 3 dash 0, 1. See, this is eastings, first third figure, the eastings. Since the z is on the line, so this is 0, we write 0. Now 13 northings, 6th figure, that is northings 6, we divided into equal 10 parts. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, exactly 5. So 5th one is the 6th figure. Yes, 6-figure grid reference to pinpoint the location nearest to 100 meters. Thank you.